Welcome to Sass of Sabrina. This is the channel where I try one new thing a week and post however it turns out. I hope to inspire you to try something new of your own or make you laugh if my process is funny. So this week we're doing a gate latch project. I have the hook there and the latch on the door. However, I put my rain barrel set up here, and that's as close as the door can get to the hooks. It's like a couple feet off. I do have this dowel. I don't know if it even reaches. No. Okay, so these are table legs or shelf parts that were given to me. There are more that fit into the innie and the outie portion of this. I'm gonna go find another. Okay, so I found another piece. Does not sound good. Okay, that is a great leg. I need to find another hook like that and something more to attach this with. Oh, I'm gonna go look for supplies. Okay, so I found a bunch of supplies, some hooks and some eyes and eye hooks and stuff like that. Let's see what I can do. I'm gonna actually take that out and put it on the end and put a hook in its place. And some pliers. I don't know if the screw part of that is the same width. I think this might be smaller. It's not pulling out, so that's a good sign. I'm gonna go see if I can find one of the dowels off of a different piece to maybe put in both in. Okay, dowels. Okay, so that's as far as it'll go. I'll just trim that off. This end was full of sand. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna wrestle with this off camera. It wasn't happening, so I got a new one. But that's full of sand too. Oh my god. Okay, let's just try this. Both ends are full of sand. I don't mind if this doesn't go in all the way, but it does need to go in the majority of the way. Now pre-drill. Add the eye hooks to each end. This one does not want to play. All right, progress. Okay, let's see if this funny little contraption will now work. Camera doesn't want to cooperate, and I hope this will be in the frame. So I'm hoping to actually clamp that hook together a little bit so that this doesn't fall off. But first, no, it was totally out of the frame. Jesus. Anyway, that's the contraption I just concocted to help hold my door open when I need to. I'm happy with it. I don't know if it'll stand up the test of time over the winter. Could take it down, I guess. I'm happy. It was free. No, I can't squeeze that together. That was the fastest little cheapest project I have ever done. Thank you so much for watching my video.